On this video, we will be showing you how you can fix if your Reolink Playback is not working. First is to restart everything. Close and reopen the Reolink app and reboot the camera and restart your router. You can also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or try different network entirely. So in the live view, you can switch between fluent and then go to clear stream modes before trying Playback again, and ensure that your Reolink app or the client itself and camera firmware are at the latest versions. Also, for your SD card or some NVR issues, you can format the SD card or NVR shared drive through the device settings to make sure that you back up the data first. Also, check the SD card. Use a compatible, high-quality SD card and power off the device and remove a firmware pre-insert SD card or HDD. So for NVRs, you can swap cables or try different camera ports to rule out any hardware failure. And that's how you can fix Reolink Playback that is not working, and thank you for listening.